Basic camera shots. What are the basic types of camera shots? Extreme close-up, big close-up, close-up, medium close-up, medium shot, medium long shot, very long shot, extreme long shot, 2 shot, 3 shot, over-the-shoulder shot. Clean single shot, dirty single shot, full shot, wide shot, insert shot, Dutch shot, established shot, objective shot, subjective shot, POV shot, high angle shot, low angle shot. Next, we will look at exactly how different shots are displayed on the screen and how to distinguish different shots. Extreme close-up. The extreme close-up gets right in and shows extreme detail. Next, big close-up. The big close-up gets right in and shows a detail of a foreground subject filling the entirety of the screen. Next, close-up. A certain feature or part of the subject takes up the whole frame. Next, medium close-up. Halfway between a medium shot and a close-up shot. Next, medium shot. Shows some part of the subject in more detail while still giving an impression of the whole subject. Next, medium long shot. Frames the whole subject from the knees up. Next, long shot. Sets the scene and the character's place within it. Next, very long shot. Shows the entire subject from head to toe and places that subject in relation to their surroundings. Next, extreme long shot. Shows the entire object or human figure and is usually intended to place it in some relation to its surroundings. Next, 2 shot. The subjects do not have to be next to each other. Next, 2 shot, foreground. One subject in the foreground and the other subject in the background. Next, 2 shot, background. One subject in the foreground and the other subject in the background. Next, 3 shot. 3 characters featured in the frame. Next, over the shoulder high. Looking from behind a person at the subject. Next, over the shoulder low. Looking from behind a person at the subject. Next, aerial shot. The taking of photographs from an aircraft or other flying object. Next, clean single shot. One character in a conversation is when reactions and character moments should take place. Next, dirty shot. The form of a body part from another actor, like their shoulder, head, hand, leg or waist. Next, full shot. Shows the subject fully, from head to toe. Next, wide shot. The subject takes up the full frame, or at least as much as comfortably possible. Next, insert shot. Focus the viewer's attention to a specific detail within a scene. Next, Dutch shot. Type of camera shot that has a noticeable tilt on the camera's x-axis. Dutch shot in film. Next, establish shot. The context for the scene ahead, designed to inform the audience where the action will be taking place. Establish shot in film. Next, objective shot. Views the events through the eyes of an unseen observer. Next, subjective shot. The scene that shows what a character is looking at represented through the camera. Next, POV shot. Shows a view from the subject's perspective. Next, high-angle shot. Looks down on the subject from a high angle and the point of focus often gets swallowed up. Next, low-angle shot. Positioned low on the vertical axis, anywhere below the eyeline, looking up. Thank you for watching and subscribe our channel.